we are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from Latin. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and useful phrases and expressions from Latin as well, commonly used in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This literally means or translates to in the middle of the thing. How do you say it? In medias res. It refers to a narrative work that begins in the middle of the plot, right in the middle of the thing. This is why it is said in medias res, in the middle of the thing. In medias, in the middle, res, the thing. In medias res. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting expressions and words from Latin whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.